making the difference here.
Well, Peter, this fella reached...
Up to meet it! Oh, not the best of headers.
Oh, no, that was a chance. What a chance.
Caicedo. Now Colwell. Gently done. Pedro Neto. Caicedo. Jackson! Goal!
Perhaps deserves a little bit of sympathy here, because that's a goalkeeper's nightmare. It's clear that the keeper was unsighted by his defence, and by the time he picked up the flight of that, it was too late.
I doubt very much that this was in the script. Valverde. That'll be a throw-in. That is lovely. Palmer. Valverde, and it's played forward.
Look, movement creates more options, and that was really sharply done.
He's had it! Cleared without complication.
Well, I wouldn't quite advise they should resort to risk-taking at this stage. There's plenty of time left yet.
Oh, that's well done, really robust. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Eder Militao. And it's Modric. Rodrigo. And Carvajal. And that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Gets into some space. He is just caressing the ball. The cross comes in. Great defending, strong and determined. He's got away, looking for the runner. There's the hit! Oh, surely that deserved better.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
And that has been cleared. And now they can spring out of defence. Jackson. Now it's Pedro Neto. That is a great pick out. Jackson! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
Vinicius Junior. He's felt that, hasn't he?
It's come loose.
Jackson.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
Cross deflected over the goal line for a corner. And it's been taken short. And the shot! Punched away. And now a sudden chance to counter. Good play on the left-hand side here. Oh, it's a searing run. He is a man on a mission. Smoothly does it. And that's aimed into the middle.
Been there, done that, unfortunately. You immediately want to have another go. Believe me on that.
There is the half-time whistle. Steady, solid, and for now, where they want to be. Just one goal, and they have it. Good effort from both sides, but a